How to fix Pinterest pictures not showing. So hi guys, let me show you 3 ways on how you can make sure that you can see your Pinterest pictures. First, make sure that your internet connection is stable. Next is that you can go to your Pinterest app here in your mobile device. Go to the profile icon here in the lower left hand corner. Click on the ellipsis button and then you can go to your settings. Now, when you are here in your settings, what you're going to do is you're going to click on your privacy and data. Now, here you just need to go to the lower corner and click on clear app cache. So when you have cleared app cache, then you would be able to restart again or like make sure that your application's good to go. If it's not working, what you can do next is that you can uninstall Pinterest and install it back into your mobile device. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful.